Strategy is really important for organizations of all different types. What's key to strategy is driving your organization's performance, and those goals could be defined by your shareholders, it could be defined by your key stakeholders, it could be defined by whoever is out there. But driving performance is more and more challenging today than it ever was. Understanding where the company organization is going, have that foresight, taking off those blinders of some myopia that you've got in the day-to-day tactics that you're running, that's key. Practically every organization out there is going to have a glossy document, which is their strategy, and it gets updated on a regular basis, and it gets sold throughout the organization, and it's got your values in it, it's got the mission in it. But a program like this is much more than this glossy document. This program is really about how to take your organization to that level that you need to achieve, that performance goal, that place out there on the horizon that you're looking for, that you need to drive you and your people and those above you, those below you, to come along on that ride. And so an important part of this program is thinking about how this strategy that you have could be sold and be more effectively developed as an idea for all of those that are following along with you. It's being able to bring that broader perspective and step away from what you're dealing with on a regular basis to think about, okay, where do we take the organization from a big picture? And that's a different mindset than most are comfortable with or most are accustomed to. And this takes some development, this takes some direction on how to start to think at that level of a leader. I think many leaders don't have the time, or perhaps they've been vaulted into a position where they haven't had to think about things like that regularly. And what I think is important about this program is empowering those individuals to be able to make the choices and decisions that need to be made when you're thinking at the strategy level. What I think is really unique about this program is the way that it marries real life with the Ivey approach to learning. And that's really all about how you are going to be able to start to pull out the implications from our lessons learned, build those conversations that you're going to have with others in this group, and then be able to bring this home to you at the end. And so we've developed case studies, we've got workshops, we've got guest speakers and simulations that all married together are going to allow you to have a much richer real life experience that's going to bring value to you and your organization.